How to connect your Defender Guard 4MP camera. With your phone connected to the same Wi-Fi network that you will connect the camera to, open the Defender Guard app and press the plus sign in the top right. Make sure that you're connected to a 2.4 GHz network. The Defender Guard camera does not work on 5G Wi-Fi networks. Scan the QR code on the camera. It is located on the bottom of the camera. Your camera needs to be plugged into a power outlet to connect. Enter your Wi-Fi password. When the LED on the front of your camera is flashing green, tap the checkbox next to "The green light is flashing slowly" and tap Next. Turn up the volume on your phone and keep it close to the camera. The camera will connect to the app. Create a device password. It must be between 8 and 32 characters and be a combination of numbers and letters. We recommend making a note of the password because it is difficult to retrieve if forgotten. Your camera is now ready to go. On this screen, you can change the name of your camera as well as change your time zone and turn on or off daylight savings time. Tap complete and you will be taken to the device screen. Tap the camera's play icon to see live view.